So I say, Ian, let's play.
She's going to want to play ball with you and blocks with you.
And cards and marbles.
Read books.
That's when she's older.
Catch ants. You're gonna catch ants together?
Yeah. I'm gonna hide them.
You wanna hide her?
And take a card and hide them like this.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And there comes another one, then I have to hide it like this.
When she gets a little bit older. For a while, we have to spend a lot of time letting her sleep.
Yeah, that's right.
Can you take that stroller away so I can hold the baby just in my hands?
You can hold her. We'll keep the stroller there for later.
No. Don't.
You like to hold the baby, or you like to put a baby in stroller?
No, I don't.
I think you probably like both things.
And
You
then,
like holding the baby, you also like the stroller.
and then Ian, in the summer, you can take her to the zoo and show her all the animals you like.
Or you can take her to the arboretum.
I'm going to take you to the zoo.
What animals are you going to show her?
The bus, they made lions there, and they made lions,
Emus, right?
and emus.
Yeah.
And gorillas.
Emus doing poopies.
Yeah.
There's gorillas there.
Why emus do poopy?
Everybody does poopy.
Emuses don't. Can I kiss her hand?
Yeah.
She doesn't go all the way. Why she has her head? Don't.
This is amazing.
Oh.